Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make enchiladas in a pan. This method is incredibly convenient, allowing you to create a delicious meal with minimal fuss. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can put together a satisfying dish that tastes like it took hours. Get ready to simplify your dinner routine and enjoy fantastic, homemade pan enchiladas tonight. To start, you'll need a few key ingredients. Grab about 1 pound of cooked, shredded meat, like chicken or beef, for your filling. You'll also need 12 corn or flour tortillas, 2 cups of your preferred enchilada sauce, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. These simple components are the foundation for your amazing pan enchiladas. Now, let's assemble. First, spread a thin layer of enchilada sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Next, dip each tortilla into the sauce, fill it with your meat and a little cheese, then roll it up. Place the rolled tortillas seam side down in the pan. Finally, pour the rest of your delicious sauce evenly over everything. It's almost time to eat. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Then, sprinkle 1/2 cup of extra cheese over the top and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let them rest for 5 minutes, then serve and savor your homemade pan enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.